Hi, I'm Shiva. I'm from Melbourne. I'm here essentially to meet my family, but usually I try to club up my family visits along with medical visits as well, like doing a full body checkup, and also part of that is a dental visit. So I got referred to Spandanas Dentistry by one of my colleagues who also happened to live in Hyderabad. Knowing Spandanas through the Times of India article as well gave me the confidence to come give it a go. And I had a bit of a root canal condition, and Spandanas clinic, and the work here has been fantastic. Nothing short of best practice. The clinic itself is brand new, so that was to my delight, and it's kind of set up almost like a spa, which made me feel quite comforted. There's some lovely jazz music playing in the background, some nice fragrances. So immediately the moment I entered, I felt like this was the right place to visit. I'm usually a little bit picky about the dentist I go to. I've been going previously to a dentist for the last 20 years. So this is the first time I'm actually switching dentists. So I'm quite picky about the skill and the hands, of actually doing the procedure. Spandana has been nothing but brilliant in terms of carefully assessing the tooth, but also providing a verbal sort of diagnosis and what's actually wrong, what are the different options, that we can undertake, work out my preferences and of course my time schedules, because I'm not here for too long, and then sort of provide a proper course of action to operate on. So I had a few sittings, I think 4 or 5 sittings, because that's the only kind of time I could allot to dentist treatment. And Spandana has been extremely prompt and flexible, I might say. Some days I wouldn't be able to make it on time, and some days I wouldn't be able to even make it to the clinic, but she's been very accommodative to make those adjustments and make sure she's prioritized my case, and I'm sure other patients as well similarly, right? Highly recommend the clinic, and particularly if you are someone who's living abroad, this is the kind of place you want to come to, because the standards maintained are very high. And I'd also argue that the skills they bring to the table is also much better due to the sheer volume of patients and different cases they deal with. So I highly recommend this place, and I usually do a yearly visit to India. So moving forward, I'm planning to make my dental visits and look at what potential treatments I need to get in the future. And Spandana has already been proactive in terms of, okay, this is the next step, we need to look at this. So next time you're coming in, this is how you need to maintain this tooth. When you have the right time, we're going to treat this tooth. So there's a future sort of course of action as well. And in terms of costing compared to Australia, it's way cheaper, and the quality of treatment I get is not even comparable. It's way better over here than overseas in Australia. There's also the option of living over here. So Spandana has actually organized places over here to live, and also given me the chance to actually even explore the places around as part of the whole tourism angle to it. So I'm living over here, but then I get to see 4 other things in Hyderabad and other places in India as well. And Spandana is being extremely helpful in organizing all those aspects as well. So it's not just the dentistry side of things, it's also the tourism side of things that is getting considered as part of it. So overall, if you look at it as a package, it's a fantastic deal. And you get to meet your family, you get to roam around a little bit, but you also get to do the most important thing, that is to take care of your health and your dental procedures as well.